Francois, you're doing some dangerous things for your health. Serious. Careful. Don't smoke that. It's not a good idea. All right, so we're live with our single box break of the cup. All right, so break 3686. That's a nice one. Failed quick. So on top of our list, we've got Francois. Last is Dean. Francois on top, Dean last. So we've got 30 teams. So first, second, third. On top, Vancouver Canucks. Last is the Pittsburgh Penguins. What's funny, Francois? What's funny? Oh well. All right, so Francois, Vancouver Canucks. Domingo, LA. Sebastian, Buffalo. Domingo, Islanders. Sean, Nashville. Domingo, St. Louis. Jason, Columbus. Domingo, Arizona. Boo, San Jose. Jarvis, Colorado. Jay, Tampa Bay. Scott, Boston. Francois, Washington. Daniel, Minnesota. Boo, Detroit. Trevor, Montreal. Jay, Chicago. Chad, Ottawa and the New Jersey Devils. Jarvis, Toronto. Scott, Calgary. Sebastian, Anaheim. Dominic, Flyers. Daniel, Sarah, Edmonton Oilers. Congrats. Jason, Florida. Daniel, Winnipeg. Trevor, Rangers. Daniel, Dallas. Michael, Carolina Hurricanes. And Dean, Pittsburgh Penguins. I think we're good. That is the list of teams. Like always, I hope you guys are happy with your teams. Switch the camera side. All right, so we got something new today. So Francois is too busy to help me out. So I've got Charles hockey cards, or carte de hockey if you want in French, to help me out. So let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully, Charles doing this luck. Hey, what do you think? Oh yeah, perfect. My shirt on, right? What's your name? Whoa. Insurance? I don't see it. Some things you just can't win. It's the last video we're doing with me. Alright, so let's go back to our break. Back to the serious. On top, we've got a Teal Fleury for Calgary. There we go. Alright, so of course we start with Calgary Flames base, number to 249. Terrence Fleury. Theo Fleury, number to 249 for the Calgary Flames. Alright, guys, you know what he's doing. Perfect. Perfection. Keep on going. Next, we get a rookie auto pass, number to 249 for the Coyotes, Mark Vicentin. Mark Vicentin for the Coyotes, number to 249. Next, we get a printing plate. Masterpieces, one of one. That's from the NHL the Cup base set for the LA Kings. Jonathan Quick. Jonathan Quick for the LA Kings. Masterpieces. Printing plate. Alright, halfway done what we have. Well, that's a nice patch. We got a signature patches, number 79 out of 99, Colorado Avalanche, Simeon Varlamov. Nice patch for Colorado. Alright, so we'll just wait. Yeah, there you go. Colorado Avalanche, Simeon Varlamov, signature patches. Perfect. Next, we get a Insurance autograph 44 out of 99, Tampa Bay Lightning. Je l'attends trop. So Tampa Bay Lightning, 44 out of 99 for Tampa Bay. And our last one is a notable nameplate. We get 1 out of 7. Where's the first letter of his last name? We got a G. For the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf. So Ryan Getzlaf, nameplate for the Anaheim Ducks. Alright, so that was our single box pick of the cup. Thank you guys, hope you liked it. We will be posting something else soon. Thanks.